Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure both devices share the same network and that the TV's mirroring feature is active. Once done, open TV menu, go to Network, then Screen Mirroring or Miracast and enable it. This lets the TV accept incoming streams. At the same time, confirm your phone or laptop supports casting natively or that you have a Chromecast or HDMI adapter ready. Doing these steps first speeds pairing and prevents address conflicts when you next search for the TV. Now you'll initiate mirroring from the sending device. On Android, use Settings, then Cast or Connected Devices. On iPhone, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. Once you select the Onida TV name, watch the TV for an accept prompt or a numeric PIN and approve it. This is why you enabled mirroring earlier. If the TV doesn't appear, make sure VPNs are off and both devices have valid local IPs. If needed, plug a Chromecast or HDMI adapter into TV to bypass wireless pairing. Finish by checking playback. Rotate your device for correct orientation, select TV for audio output, and use in-app cast controls for best quality. When you're done, stop casting from your phone or press the TV's home or exit button to end the session cleanly. If connection fails or video stutters, reboot both devices, toggle Wi-Fi, and try 4 versus 5 GHz networks. As a last resort, reset the TV's network settings. That one troubleshooting tip: reboot both ends, fixes most mirroring errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.